Erasers. Who knew they could be so magical outside of erasing things in a notebook? Today I'm going to show you 12 clever ways to use erasers in and around your home. It's going to solve some of your most troubling household annoyances. And did you know you can actually buy erasers for around $10 on Amazon to use on your shoes and other related things? Or this one I got on Temu, which is fantastic, but why not go with Dollar Tree when you can get a bunch in a pack? By the end of this video, you're going to be running around your house all crazy, not being able to stop what I'm about to show you. At least that's what happened to me. When you head to your local Dollar Tree, there are a variety of options available when it comes to erasers, but for today, I want to use this pink pack of erasers. 6 in a pack. We are going to have a blast today. I'm so excited to show you all of these tips and tricks. These are the erasers that I owned from Amazon that were a lot pricier than the Dollar Tree version, and the Dollar Tree version works just as great. This one is also from Temu, which is fantastic. I love it, but I also want to show you steals and deals so that you can use your money elsewhere. So let's do it. The rainbow eraser is really fun. However, you need to get a good grip on it, and it's a little bit bendy. It can be used for small jobs if you want. 3 of the biggest cleaning pain points are hard water spots, grout, and your toilet. So today we're going to address those hard water spots. Even when you go through the car wash, they tend to appear everywhere. You can see them here on my vehicle. Yes, kind of annoying, especially if you really want to shine things up. Now you're just going to take your eraser and erase those hard water spots, and they come up so easily. And you may be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, there's no way I'm taking an eraser to my entire vehicle. I just want to show you how well this works in comparison. So here's the area where I use the eraser, and this is the area where I did not. There's such a drastic difference between when you use the eraser and when you do not. Of course, I love some Dollar Tree glass cleaner. So I just want to show you that if you just use the glasser on this, it's not going to pick up those hard water spots, but you have to take the eraser and then they come up. Totally get it. You're probably not going to do this to your entire vehicle, but again, it works on small spaces. Maybe you have some faucets and taps or mirrors and windows that you just want to get up those spots and make everything look nice and shiny. Once you've used your eraser to get all the water spots up, then just take your favorite glass cleaner or Norwex cloth or whatever you like to do to clean those windows and surfaces. Look at that, looking good as new. You can also use this little trick on your shower glass doors. Amazing, right? Shoes. I have a weird thing with cleaning shoes, maybe because there are so many of them in my house and they just house so much dirt and bacteria. So I love to shine them up and make them look a little bit newer. So all you have to do is take your Dollar Tree eraser and you can go ahead and erase lots of scuff marks on your shoes, dirt, grime, pen, pencil, marker, you name it. It works just as good as a shoe eraser that you can buy from Dollar Tree or online at Amazon. Yes, Magic Eraser works wonderful, but so does just this everyday school eraser. And if you've been here a hot minute, you know that I love my mean green. Nothing in this video is sponsored, and no, Dollar Tree does not pay me to say this. This could just really add that finishing touch to any place that you want to clean up. I just wanted to show you one more time how well this works on a larger shoe. Depending upon how dirty your shoes are, you may just need to add a little bit more elbow grease. Rust is another common complaint that I read all the time. Yes, I read all of the comments that you leave here on YouTube. If you spend the time to leave it, I'm going to spend the time to read it. But look here on my outdoor patio chairs, how well these rust stains are coming up. And let me tell you, these are some ingrained rust stains because we live on a pond. So there is a lot of moisture coming in contact here. This also works great on dishware. Maybe you have some silverware. Maybe you have some rust inside of a freezer. I know that I've experienced that before. I actually made a whole YouTube video on it. But look at how well that rust just magically disappeared for almost pennies. I know I have a lot of scuff marks on my walls and oftentimes a lot of weird random sticky things stuck to walls and door jambs and doors, basically anywhere where a little hand could go. But look at how well this just comes off chemical free besides your eraser. And if you are someone that does not like a lot of smelly things, this eraser is perfect for cleaning so you don't have that nauseating aroma of certain chemicals. Now, I love all the smells, but I can totally appreciate something unscented. You see here, I just got a little too excited. I could have been doing this for hours on end, going around all of my walls, and then I like to top it off with that mean green because get everything up a little bit better and remove any remaining grease that may be stuck to the wall. This is addicting, I'm telling you. Yes, after this video, you're gonna be looking at all the places in your home and saying to yourself, yes, I can get that. You feel like you've accomplished something. I don't know. It's the little things. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. A little bit off topic here, but many of you ask, what is the best way to clean your walls? And oftentimes just some warm water and dish soap, but I love the mean green. I mean, mean green, if you want to sponsor me, I'm all up for it because it is an amazing product. It's one of the few things that actually has worked to remove all the fingerprints and dirt on my wall. I am obsessed. And then I just take a white kitchen towel and go to town. In fact, I like to have one of these in my bathroom because it's amazing how many handprints and fingerprints are all over the walls in the bathroom. Do you ever find yourself eating over a keyboard of some sort or a remote control or an iPad? Yeah, I know I do. I have a guilty pleasure of eating all of the popcorn. I love popcorn, pickles, ice cream deliciousness. And yes, I do drop kernels in there and sticky things on this keyboard. This is the absolute truth, but just use your eraser. It fits perfectly inside of your keyboard keys. Yes, and again, then you don't have to get some sort of air duster or any sort of chemicals in there. Yes, you could use a little bit of rubbing alcohol, but I love this eraser. It just works perfectly. Did someone draw on your tables? Maybe you have a grandchild, a niece or nephew, or a son or a daughter. Yep, this works amazing. Again, chemical free. Just grab your eraser and you can go to town. This really dark purple crayon. Oh, my 3-year-old. I love her dearly. She has very creative mind, and that includes doing artwork on the table. But with just almost little to no effort, this crayon is gone. Remember all the sticky things inside of your refrigerator. This eraser would work wonderfully, but how about some sticker residue? I'm just showing you here on the bottom of the candle because I know there are always stickers on the bottoms of candles. Now, many of you recommend peanut butter. I think that works okay. Goo Gone is usually my go-to because it works so quickly, but you can just use something like, this is a Scotty peeler. I have it on hand. It's super cheap. I will link in the description box below in case you are interested. But once you get that top layer off the sticker, maybe you got something sticky stuck to your wall, like some tacky, you hung up some balloons. I know, I experienced that, but you can just use the eraser to lift any of that stickiness. Now, Goo Gone does work amazing. It is a bit faster than using the eraser, but if you want something chemical free, go with the eraser. How about those dirty vents? Lots of lint and dust and things likes to accumulate in mine in the kitchen. I could clean these probably every other day and they would just look dirty, like an animal crawled inside and fluffed its fur up and stuck it outside the vent. I don't know, that's extremely weird, but this eraser works awesome. So not only can you use this in your house, you could use this in your vehicle as well. Now, this is slightly time consuming. However, when you are cleaning anything with holes and slats, such as a vent, it is going to be more time consuming. The best part of using the eraser over other things is it really lifts anything that's stuck on there, such as anything sticky, especially in your kitchen, or maybe you have some grease that flew into the vent of some sort. You may be asking yourself, Andrea Jean, why would I not just use a magic eraser to do all the things that you're showing me here today? I love magic erasers. However, they start to crumble and disintegrate pretty quickly, especially if you are applying a lot of pressure. That's why the eraser works a bit better because it's more dense, and I think that you can use it much longer than the magic eraser. How about cleaning your phone screen? I know there's a lot of concerns. You don't want to get moisture on here so that you do not damage it. Watch this. Use your eraser just very gently on your screen. You could use this on your iPad. You could use this on your computer. You can use it basically on anything that has a screen. And look at that. Fingerprints are gone. I am so impressed. Now, if your eraser left any residue, just go ahead and give it a good blow. How about grime in your remote control? Yes, I am guilty of watching some shows on, well, I will not say what I like to watch, what my guilty pleasure is. Let me know in the description box below. But you can use this to clean inside of your remote. Yeah, ice cream gets stuck in here, popcorn gets stuck in here, but not anymore. I feel like this remote control has some new life thanks to this simple Dollar Tree eraser. Light switches. Oh yeah, my light switches get really nasty. We have several bathrooms in here, especially the tops of your light switches where a lot of dust and stickiness likes to accumulate on there. Maybe some toothpaste. You know, you brush your teeth, it gets on your hand, then you turn off the light. It's just one thing leads to the other. How about erasing any sort of stains on white appliances? Maybe you have a dishwasher, maybe a refrigerator, or maybe a dryer like this. This works like a gem to get up any scuff marks on those appliances. Maybe you have a stain of some sort. Give it a whirl. Let me know in that comments box below if you have ever tried any of these tips and tricks before. 2 hours can fly by when you are using a little eraser like this. You're gonna notice things around your house that you have never noticed before. When you start to get down low and really open your eyes to different things, this eraser is gonna come in so handy. Make sure that you share this little trick with your friends and family, and they will be saying to you, "That's genius." If you want to see some of those Temu hidden gems, I will link those videos in the description box below. Also, if you have not signed up for my free weekly cleaning and organizing newsletter, make sure that you do. It is linked in the description box below. Also, if you want to see some clever ways to use a Dollar Tree broom, click this video on screen now. But if you want to see some more home hacks, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.